Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Get ready, Raleigh, for the biggest monster truck rally of the year. This Sunday, Dorton Arena is going to explode when two of the biggest monster truck rivals go head-to-head. Gravedigger versus the Punisher. It's metal twisting action from 7 p.m. to 10. And kids, we haven't forgotten about you. Watch as we heat things up in the Arena of Fire as Big Bird versus Elmo in the exclusive Sesame Street Wrestling Tournament. Watch them battle it out under one roof. Dorton Arena, Monster Trucks and Wrestling this Sunday from 7 to 10. Don't miss it.
Elmo is champion.